Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 maths. There you can find a list of the chapters. Find the lesson linear functions. So, here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are slope intercept form, write an equation from graph. Slope intercept form, write an equation from table. Slope intercept form, write an equation from word problems. Then the linear equations solve for y. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the first topic, that is slope intercept form, write an equation from graph. Let me just write down the lesson name on the board, then we'll start. Okay, the lesson name is slope intercept form, write an equation from the graph. So you are given with a graph. We have to find the equation from graph. So how do we find the equation from graph? First of all, the slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Got it? That is the equation in the slope intercept form. Let's start with an example. Okay, here I am on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is linear functions and the lesson is slope intercept form, write an equation from a graph. Got it? So here is a graph. We are given with a graph. We have to find the equation in the slope intercept form. Got it? The slope intercept form of the equation is y equals mx plus b. So to write the equation in the slope intercept form, we need two of the things. They are m, the slope, and the b. Got it? That is the y-intercept. These two things we have to find for this equation from the graph. Got it? Okay, let's just find the graph from the slope from the equation. So the slope must equal m equals change in y divided by change in y divided by change in x. Got it? Use any 2 points on the find any 2 points on the graph, find the slope. So let's just use any 2 points on the graph. Okay, the graph points I'm using on the graph are okay. Okay, the 2 points I'm using from the graph are the first one is this one, 2 and 8, x is 2, y is 8. Okay, the points I'm using are 2 and 8, and the second one is this one, that is x is 0 and y is negative 6, 0 and negative 6. Got it? You can use any 2 points on the graph. Okay, just find the slope using these 2 points. So m equals change in y is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let's suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Got it? So y2 minus y1, negative 6 negative 8, x2 minus x1, 0 minus 2. So it will be negative 6 negative 8 is negative 14 divided by negative 2. So that means the slope for the graph is 7. Got it? Now we have to find the y-intercept for the graph. So just look at the graph. Y-intercept is a point where the graph is touching the y-axis. Got it? So the y-intercept is negative 6 because here is the point where the graph is touching the y-axis, that is negative 6. So y-intercept is -6. Got it? So the equation is y equals mx plus b. We have the m that is 7 and the b that is -6. So it would be y equals 7x minus 6. Got it? That is the equation in the slope intercept form for the given graph. Let me just see if that is the yes. The equation is y equals 7x minus 6. Got it? Let's just do a practice question from the test. If you have any question, please ask the question, write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all the questions if you have any. Okay, we are given with the graph. This one is the graph. Look at this graph. You have to write the equation in the slope intercept form. So the equation that is in the slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So you have to find the same two things. M, that is the slope, and b, that is the y-intercept. Got it? Okay, let's just find the slope. Slope is m equals change in y divided by change in x. You can write it as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? Okay, let's just find any 2 points on the graph. Here is the first one. -4 and -8. X is -4, y is -8. So the points is -4 and -8. And this is the y-intercept. Got it? X is 0, y is -9. 0, -9. Also, the y-intercept is -9. Basically, the y-intercept is the point where the graph is touching the y-axis. So this is the only point where the graph is touching the y-axis. Got it? That is x is 0 and y is -9. Got it? Just use these 2 points to find the slope as well. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. y2 minus y1, -9, -8 divided by 0, -4. -9 plus 8 divided by 4. So -9 plus 8 is -1 over 4. That is the slope. And you have the y-intercept. Just write the points in the equation. It would be then y equals -1 over 8x and slope is -9. So equation is -1 over 4x and -9. Got it? Got it? So it is -1 over 4x and -9. Got it? So let's see. Yes, that is the correct equation. Y equals -1 over 4x and -9. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, let's just look at the graph and find the equation. So just use the same equation. For y-intercept, slope intercept form, you always have to use the same equation, that is y equals mx plus b. Got it? So just follow the same steps, find the rule, find the slope and then the y-intercept. M is the slope, B is the y-intercept. Got it? Okay, just find the slope. Slope is change in y minus change in y divided by change in x, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? Just find 2 points on the graph. Any 2 points you can use. Mm, okay, the 2 points I am using on the graph are 7 and -2, and the other one is 0 and -3, and -3 is also the y-intercept. Got it? -3 is the y. Okay, just use these 2 points. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, x2 minus x, sorry, y2 minus y1, negative 3 minus minus 2, and 0 minus 7, it would be negative 3 plus 2 over minus 7, it would be negative 1 over negative 7, that would be 1 over 7. Got it? Then you have the slope, you already have the slope, so the equation is y equals m is 1 over 7 x, and b is negative 3, so it would be y equals 1 by 7x minus 3. Got it? And just look at the, yes, that is 1 over 7x minus 3. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? The next topic is slope intercept form. Write an equation from a table. Got it? You are given with the tables, you have to write the equation. So when you are given with a table, writing the equation from the table is very easy, because from the graph you have to find the points, but on the table you are given with the points. Got it? So by using table, that would be easy to find the slope intercept form. Write an equation from a table. Equation from table. Okay, so but you have to follow the same method we are following in the graph. Got it? But just one thing that is different: on the graph you have to find the points by yourself, but in the table you are given with the points. Got it? You have to do the same thing. The equation slope in the slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Find the slope and find the y-intercept. Okay, let's see. Slope is y2 minus y1 divided by, slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You can use any 2 points. Got it? Like I am using the third and fourth. Got it? 347, 448. Okay, 347, 448. Okay, 347. Y2 minus y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Y2 minus y1, 48 minus 47 divided by 4 minus 3. 48 minus 47 is 1 over 1. That means slope is 1. But you are not given with a y-intercept. Got it? In the graph, you have to find a graph y-intercept by yourself. Use any other point. That is, let me, I'm going to use 246. Got it? Okay, we have the slope that is 1. So the equation is y equals 1x plus b. Put the point in the equation. This is x and this is y. It is y is 46, x is 2, and plus b. So it is 46 equals 2 plus b. Move the 2 to the other side, it would be then subtracted. So that is 46 minus 2 equals b. B equals 44. Got it? This is the value of the y-intercept. So put it in equation. You already have a slope that is 1. Y equals 1x plus 44. Got it? This is the equation for this table. The equation is y equals 1x plus 44. That would be option number 4. Got it? X plus 44. Either you can write 1 or either you don't write. You do not write. It would be y equals x plus 44. Got it? So option number D is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, let's just do another one. Okay, use this table. to find the slope, and you're already given with the y-intercept. Y-intercept is the value when y is 0 and you have the x value. When y is 0, x is 0. So that is the slope, that is the b actually, the y-intercept actually. Got it? Okay, let's just find the slope from the table. So for the equation is y equals mx plus b. So just find the slope. Slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Use any 2 points. So for this one, I'm using the second and the third point. Got it? 1, 8, 2, 16. 1, 8, 2, 16. That is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Got it? So y2 minus 1, 1, 16 minus 8 divided by 2 minus 1. That would be 16 minus 8 is 8 and 2 over 1 is 1. So the slope for the equation is 8. And you are given with the y-intercept, that is 0. Got it? So the equation is y equals m is 8x plus 0. So the equation is y equals 8x. Got it? That is the equation of the given table. Got it? So the correct option is y equals 8x. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay. Okay, for this one, you are not given with the y-intercept. You have to find the y-intercept as well. Got it? Let's just start with the equation. You can use any 2 points to find the slope. Okay, the equation is y equals mx plus b. You have to find the slope. Use any of the points for the slope. I'm using the first two for this one. Got it? 0, 27, 128. 0, 27, 1 and 28. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So the slope is y2 minus y1, 28 minus 27, and x2 minus x1. 28 minus 27 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So slope is 1. You have to find the y-intercept. So the equation is y equals 1x plus b. Use any point from the table. I'm using 3 and 30 to find the b. X is 3, y is 30. So it is 30 equals 1 times 3 plus b. So it would be 30 equals 3 plus b. Move to 3 to the other side, it would be then 30 subtract 3 equals b. So 30 subtract 3 is 27 equals b. Got it? So the equation is y equals, you already have slope, that is 1. Y equals 1x and plus 27. So the equation is y equals x plus 27. Got it? That is the slope of the equation. That is the slope intercept form of the table. Got it? Y equals mx plus b. Got it? That is x plus 27. So just select the correct option. That would be equation number 3. So to select the option number C, just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next topic is slope intercept form. Write an equation from a word problem. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the lesson name is slope intercept form. Write an equation from a word problem. Okay, now you are given with a word problem. You have to write the equation from the word problem. Got it? So slope intercept form, write an equation from a word problem. An equation from a word problem. Okay, let's start with a lesson. Slope intercept form, write an equation from a word problem. Okay, here is the topic from the same chapter, grade 9 linear functions, slope intercept form, write an equation from a word problem. Okay, let's just start with the test. Okay, Shelby earns $2 for every cup of lemonade she sell. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of cups sold X and the earnings Y. Got it? So you have to write the equation from the given relationship. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the uh, she earns $2 from every cup she sell. Got it? We have to form a table, then you have to find the slope and the y-intercept, and then we have to form the equation. Got it? So let's just form a table chart. Got it? We have to see how many number of cups sold and earning from every table for every cup, not earnings, and it is the y and it is the x. Got it? Okay, let's suppose she sold the first cup. So for each cup she got $2. So for the first one, 2 times 1 is 2. Got it? Okay, so when this for the second cup, it would be 2 times 2, 4. For the third cups, because for each cup she earned $2. So for the third cup she earns 2 times 3, that is 6. For the fourth cup she earns 2 times For the fourth cup she earns 2 times 4, that is 8. Got it? That means if x, we have to calculate for the x cup would be 2 times x. Got it? So that means the pattern is 2 times x. You have to find the relationship between the equation, that is y equals 2x. Got it? So the correct option for this equation is y equals 2x. Got it? You just have to form the equation using the table. So it would be y equals 2x. Got it? So the correct option for this one is y equals 2x. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, just understand the question and you'll get the equation. Writing equations from the word problems is bit easy. Got it? Let me read the next one. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, since starting a new recycling plan, Troy's office recycles 2 kilograms of paper each week. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the weeks X and the paper recycled Y. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is y equals to x. That is exactly the same like we did the first question. Just replace the variables. That is exactly the same. For the each, the question is mm, paper between the weeks X and the paper recycled. X is the weeks and Y is the paper recycled. X is the weeks and Y is the paper recycled. So that is actually the relationship. For the first week, for the she he earned I think $2, 2 kilograms of paper each, recycles 2 grams of paper each week. So for first week, it is 2 times 1, 2. For the second weeks, it would be 2 times 2, 4. For the third week, so if it goes to x, so it would be then 2x. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 2x. Just select the correct option and move on to the next question. Okay, let's just move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is Christine can grow 2 flowers with each seed packet. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of seed packet X and the total number of flowers Y. That is exactly the same like the questions we did earlier. Just 2 flowers each seed. Got it? So when he had one seed packet, he can grow 2 flowers. So it is 1 to 2 relationship. So it is then Y equals 2X. Got it? So the correct option is Y equals 2X. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Isaac jars 2 liters of jam every day. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the days X and the jam Y. So just 2 liters per day. So when on the first day, it would be 2 times 1, 2. For the second day, it would be 2 times 2, 4. That means the relationship is the same, Y equals 2X. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, we have just 4 of the questions in the test. So let's just go back, move on to the next topic. The next topic is the next topic is linear equations solved for y. Let's just start with the next one. That is, let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Okay, the next one is linear equations solved for y. Okay, let's start with the test question. Okay, rewrite the equation in slope intercept form. Got it? The equation you are given is y plus 5 equals 1 over 10 and x plus 10. Okay, you have to write the equation in the slope intercept form. And the slope intercept form is like y equals mx plus b. Basically, you have to write the equation in this form. Got it? Just remove the 5 from this side. First of all, remove this 10. Multiply both sides of the equation with a 10. Got it? It would be, okay, just move that 5 to the other side. Y equals 1 over 10 x plus 10 minus 5. Got it? Now multiply the equation by this 1 over 10. It would be then x over 10 plus 10 over 10 minus 5. Got it? So x over 10 y equals x over 10. 10 over 10 is 1 minus 5. So that would be x over 10 and 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So the equation is y equals x over 10 minus 4, or either you can rewrite it as y equals 1 over 10 x minus 4. So you can compare it to the equation y equal mx plus b. Here m is 1 over 10 and b is negative 4. Got it? So the equation is y equals 1 by 10x minus 4. Got it? That is this one, y equals 1 over 10x minus 4. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Okay, for the next one, rewrite the following equation in slope intercept form. The equation is y minus 1 equals 5 times x minus 1. Okay, so just move that negative 1 to the other side. It would be y equals 5 x minus 1 plus 1. Got it? Now let's just multiply the 5 to the things that are inside the bracket. It would be then y equals 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is negative 5 plus 1. Got it? So negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So it would be y equals 5x minus 4. Got it? So when you compare it to the slope intercept form, it would be yx equals mx plus b. M is 5, b is negative 4. Got it? Equals 5x minus 4. That is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is y minus 6 equals 10 times x plus 4. Y minus 6 equals 10 times x plus 4. Let me just see. Okay. So first of all, move that 6 to the other side. It would be y equals 10 times x plus 4 minus 6. Got it? Now just multiply this thing with 10. So it would be 10x plus 10 times 4 is 40 and minus 6. So it would be 10x and 40 minus 6 is 34 plus 34. So when you compare this equation to the slope intercept form, it would be m is 10 and b is 34. Got it? So it would be y equals 10x plus 34. Got it? Just select the correct 46. Oh, here it is negative 6. So when you shift it to the, it would be then added. So 40 plus 6 is 46. Got it? So it would be then y equals 10x plus 46. Got it? The equation is y equal 10x plus 46. Got it? So just select the correct option, then move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is y minus 2 equals 5 times x plus 6. 5 times x plus 6. Okay, move that negative 2 to the other side. It would be y equals 5 times x plus 6 plus 2. It would be 5x. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2. So it would be y equals 5x plus 32. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option for this one? Y plus 3 equals negative 6x plus negative 6 times x minus 1. So which one is the correct option? That would be y equals negative 6x plus 3. Got it? Because when you multiply negative 6 to x, it makes negative 6x. Got it? So the first option is the correct one. Either you can do the calculations. I know the answer. It would be y equals negative 6x plus 3. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which is the correct option for this one? Y equals y minus 6 equals 1 over 3x minus 3. When you multiply 1 over 3 to x, so it would be 1 over 3x. Got it? So the correct option is y equals 1 by 3x plus 5. Got it? It is y equals 1 over 3x plus 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, rewrite the following equation in the slope intercept form. It would be minus 8 and minus 2 is negative 10. So the correct option is y equals negative 8x and negative 10, because negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. And when you shift that positive 2 to the other side, it would be the negative 2. So negative 8 and negative 2 is negative 10. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so it would be y plus 10 equals 1 by 5x minus 5. That would be y equals 1 by 5x minus 11. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, y equals 5x minus 4. So 5 times 4 is negative 20. And when you move that negative 2 to the other side, it would be then positive 2. So it would be negative 18. Y equals 5x minus 18. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, y plus 8 equals 1 by 6 times x minus 6. So it would be 1 minus negative 1, it would be 1 over 6x minus 9. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, y minus 10 equals negative 9 plus 3. It would be 9 times 3 is 27, negative 27. And negative 27 plus 10 is negative 17. That would be the first option. Y equals negative 6x minus 17. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, y minus 3 equals 1 by 9 times x plus 9. So it would be 1 and plus 3. So it would be y equals 1 by 9x plus 4. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so we have completed the test. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the grade chapter linear functions. The chapter we just covered are slope intercept form, write an equation from graph, slope intercept form, write an equation from table, slope intercept form, write an equation from word problem, and then linear equations solve for y. So if you have any question, any problem with any of the topic, you can ask question. I am waiting for the questions from your side. Please write the question in the chat box if you have any. I am waiting from the questions from your side. Please ask questions if you have any. Okay, so please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. If you need more help with any of the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. If you find a session helpful for you, please click on the like button right below the video. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.